Good morning, children. My name is A. Mahalashmi. I am your English teacher. I am working in Sri Ramakrishna English Medium School. Today we will continue The Selfish Giant Part 1. Once again I repeat before class, listen carefully. Old giant owned this park. In this park, peach trees are there. These trees' fruits are yellow and red color skin. Some birds are sang very sweetly. After school, the children were played here. Before, the giant stayed in his friend room 7 years. After he came to his room, he was think about why should other comes to my garden, played here. Those two decisions are he built a high wall all around and put up a notice board, trespassers will be prosecuted. Now continue the lesson. This is the conversation. Tall girl. Now we have nowhere to play. Tall girl says, now we have nowhere to play. Nowhere to play. Short boy, we can play on the road. Short boy says, we can play on the road. Squirrel girl, but the road is very dusty. How is the road? The road is very dusty. Graceful girl and full of hard stones. He was also says the road is very full of hard stones. Round boy, I don't like it. Round boy says, I don't like it. What he was don't like it? Playing on the road. Okay, graceful girl. Let's walk around the wall when our lessons are over. When our lessons are over, we are walk the wall. At least we can talk about the beautiful garden inside. Graceful girl says, at least we talk. What we was talk? Beautiful garden inside. Tall girl says, how happy we were there. She says, how happy? Round boy, he is very selfish giant. Round boy says about giant. He was very selfish giant. Children listen. The giant says, ha ha ha, my own garden is my own garden. Anyone can understand that, and I will allow nobody to play in it but myself. The giant says, ha ha ha, my own garden is my own garden. He feels very selfish. Nobody can allow to my garden, only himself. Okay, the children scatter. Scatter means spread over. The children all are spread over. Look at spread over. Old giant. Then the spring came, and all over the country there were little blossoms and little birds. Only in my garden it was still winter. The birds did not come to sing, and the trees forgot to blossom. The people who were pleased best were the snow and the frost. Here, see children, 7 years before the spring came, and also the autumn also came. The trees are here, the fruits are grows, and birds are sang sweetly. Children are played here. 7 years after, he was built a wall and put a notice board. The spring season are not coming his park. Then the spring came, and all over the country spring comes. But in this park not come, still winter. Snow and frost. Spring has forgotten this garden. So no we can live here all the round. Spring forgot his garden. So all of the round of year, 1 year full, the spring is forgotten his park. Old giant. The snow covered up the grass with her great white cloak. The snow is covered, snow is full of covered with a white cloak. And the frost painted all the trees silver. Frost painted, full of painted these trees, white color, full silver color. Okay. Then they invited the north wind to stay with them. When he came, he was warped in heavy force. He roared all day about the garden and resulted in blowing the chimney pots over. Old Giant. The snow covered up the grass with her great white cloak, and the frost painted all the trees silver. The snow covered this garden, and also frost painted the trees. Then they invited the north wind. Then after we are invited the north wind to stay with them. When he came, who was came? The giant was came. He was warped. Warped means what? Covered. The giant was covered in heavy force. Force means soft hair. He was covered his soft hair. He roared all day about the garden. He was roared about the garden and rejoiced. Rejoiced means expressed great happiness. So, Giant was expressed a great happiness. Why? The children are not coming to his garden. Only he was staying in the garden. And also the snow and frost also covered his garden. Then they invited the north wind also, blowing the chimney pots over. North wind. Then they invited the north wind. North wind comes. This is the delightful soft spot. Delightful means very pleasant. We must ask the Hailey to come on a visit. Old Giant. Old Giant says, so the old Hail came. Every day for 3 hours he rattled on the roof of the castle till he broke most of the slats, and then he ran round and round the garden as fast as he could go. He was dressed in grey, and his breath was like ice. I sat at the window and looked out at my cold white garden. So the old hail came. Hail means flats of frozen rain. Okay na? This frozen rain came to the garden. Every day he was rattled on the roof 3 hours till he broke the most of the slats. Slats means roofs of the flat plates. He was broken flat plats. Okay. And then he ran. After he ran round and round garden as fast he could go. He was dressed in grey. He was go very fast round and round. He was dressed in grey color, and his breath was like ice. Why was his breath was like ice? Because the park was full of dressed snow and frost. So his breath was like ice. I sat at the window and looked out at my cold white garden. The giant says, I can't understand why the spring is so late in coming. I hope there will be a change in the weather. The giant says, I can't understand. He was can't understand. What can't understand? The spring is so late in coming. He hopes also change in the weather. Old giant, but the spring never came, nor the summer. Spring is not came, never comes to summer also. The autumn gave golden fruit to every garden. The autumn gives to gold fruits every garden, but to my garden she gave none. She means the autumn. To my garden she gave none. Autumn is didn't give anything in my garden. Autumn. He is too selfish. Autumn says, who too selfish? The giant, too selfish. Old giant. So it was always winter here, and the north wind and the hail and the frost and the snow danced about through the trees. In his garden, winter here, north wind here, hail here, and the frost here, and the snow also, all are danced through the trees. But autumn is not comes to his garden. Okay children, part 1 is completed. Selfish giant part 1 is completed. I am given this part 1 opposites. See, all of you, these all are opposites. Take this one screenshot and write your notes. Okay. Next, we are going to vocabulary. Okay. This is the vocabulary. Look at the following underlined phrase taken from the text and now the meaning. First of all, peach trees that in the springtime broke out into delicate blossom. Peach trees that in the springtime broke out into delicate blossom. In the above sentence, the phrase broke out means to come out. Broke out means what? To come out. Children, listen carefully. Broke is verb. Out is preposition. Here, verb and preposition both are combined. This word is called phrasal verb. Are you understand? Verb and preposition both are combined to one word. This word is called phrasal verb. Okay. Refer to a dictionary and find out the phrasal verbs beginning break. Use them in your own sentences. I am given some break phrasal verbs. Break away. What is this? Break away. Break into. Break down. Break up. You write down this word meaning and also own sentence. 4 words also. Next, pick out some more phrasal verbs from the play. The selfish giant. Selfish giant loni ఉన్నటువంటి other phrasal verbs also you can take and write down the meaning and also one of the own sentences. This is the homework. Write in your homework book. Okay. Thank you children.